Hey you guys, so I thought I'd give you guys a little birthday vlog and what I've been up to this lately, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Look how we have the house side now, guys.
Bathroom is done. Bathroom is almost done. Just needs to have remember. Show them the bathroom. Let's see it.
Everything's looking shit. What's up guys and welcome back to my channel. So it's very late. I'm trying to be quiet. This is like a little update. It's my birthday and with that being said, today I'm gonna be getting ready. I did my nails. This is the best they're gonna get for now. Look cute on me. But I'm turning 24. We're back at home and my hubby is sleeping, so yeah, I just did this hand. It was whatever. I'm gonna do this hand tomorrow morning and then I'm gonna celebrate for my birthday. I don't know how I feel about how these came out. The shape is I didn't really try. They're cute though. It's giving. But I'm gonna roll a blunt.
Okay, está bien pues. Nos vemos. Bye, bye.
I just got up, it's early morning. My boyfriend's on the phone with his little friend, and here's my nails. That's how they came out. Period. These are my birthday nails. I did them myself. I've been like really heavy on myself lately because of the shaping and stuff. And like clearly my shaping's very, very good, especially compared to how when I started. But I want like that perfect shaping, but my nail beds are very, very wide compared to like regular, like, you know, people that watch, especially girls. Girls have small nail beds. I have very wide nail beds, so therefore my nails can't be too skinny like I want. But and especially like I think I have like not carpal tunnel, but like arthritis or something, because my finger like kind of like bends a little bit. Both of my middle fingers have that. What happened? To get what?
To get cash.
To get cash? What do you need cash?
To get inside clubs.
Huh?
To get in clubs
Oh.
that I got.
Okay, but you trust her. And I know for a fact you don't hate her.
Where I'm at in the picture. I don't know if it's because I'm too tall. Why is it not working? Hold on, we can stab the hole. No.
I don't do my thumbs.
You don't?
Mm-mm.
I would have never noticed that.
It's easier to do things when my thumbs are short. I hate when my thumbs are So what are you saying?
And back you on Instagram, huh?
Nah, never. I don't need that. Well, what are you saying? Well, what are you saying?
What are you saying?
Well, what are you saying?
You went out, you
I
cheated,
never
you went
lied
to the
to you.
club.
I told you I
Yes,
was
you
going
did.
with my
You went out
friends.
to
They
the
stopped
club.
there,
You
and that was that.
cheated.
I told you to
You
pick me up at the same
cheated.
fucking place
You
that I was at.
lied.
As soon
You
as
went
I
out
got
to the
there,
club. You weren't
you wanted
supposed to
to
go to
fuck
the club.
around,
You weren't
and
supposed
that's
to go to the
that.
club. You weren't
I'm
supposed to go to the
24.
club. You
It's
weren't
my
supposed to go to the
birthday.
club.
You didn't let me turn up,
But you
have my
can be
birthday.
single.
I didn't.
Go
I was
back,
not
go
with
away.
not one guy.
You
I
don't
was with
contribute
girls.
nothing.
Consistent with my posting. Okay, so obviously I've been off for a minute, guys. I look crazy. It's 2 days after my birthday. I still look crazy. Had a great night with my girls. Today is Saturday. Our floor's getting done in our bathroom. We have to go fix my boyfriend's cousin's tire. Well, his dad's tire because he punched in. His dad's the one working on our bathroom, so we have to go. That going on. Anyways, I went to go get quesadillas and some birria juice, which is called consome in Spanish. And they were staring at me hard. I hate when I go out places and people stare at me hard. Like, I know, well, I usually look cute with lashes and everything, but maybe because of my nails too. You know, like normal people don't have these. You know, like, so I get it. But I don't need the whole restaurant staff staring at me. The only thing that made me feel comfortable was that I knew one of the ladies there, so I was talking to her the whole time, like the lady Rosa the whole time, and I was just so annoyed. Like, don't look at me, treat me like just like anyone else that you would see. I know I'm a little bit like extraterrestrial. I was gonna say extraterrestrial for you, but come on, get it together. Okay, and I had to buy some for his dad and his uncle too. Oh, the wipers. They're called quesadillas. They have birria in it, and it's like a quesadilla, but they like smother it in juice and then like grill it again. It's a whole thing. So it looks like this. It has cilantro and onion. Actually, today I feel like being a whore. I'm showing you guys. I usually don't like do a lot of extras, but I'm gonna put some lime. want to spread milk. And we have conso. I had to ask for extra, but because like they usually don't put shit in these, and it's fucking annoying. But I asked for extra consomme. So what this is the juice, onion, and cilantro. And I don't want to spill it. Hold on, let me see. So it's gonna see the view. Okay, so that's the consomme, and those are the tacos. Let me see if I can fix it better. I was curious about that. Hold on, guys. Or I can put you right here. No, that's very ghetto. No. I look crazy. This thing. And I thought having a bracelet clutch. No. Okay, whatever. Anyways. Let it go right back where you were. Just want to dip this like this. Let them juices flow, baby. Let them bitches flow. Okay, so yeah, I know I'm gay. A lot of people aren't used to the extraness. I literally have to chop these off tonight because I have to go to work all this week. I do Amazon Flex. A lot of you guys keep up with me. Yes, I do Amazon Flex. What the fuck am I saying? Well, it might as well be Amazon Flex. I worked at the Sports Center in Brownstown. Brownstown is the township, whatever. But anyways, I worked at I'm a little blowed right now. Like I told you, I stood at a Rejuvenate from my birthday. Like ever since then, I've been fucked up. But anyways, like drinking, I only drink that day, and yeah, I've been high ever since. But anyways, I did get sidetracked. With my VTO, you guys have kept up with me. Since it gives me the choice of going into work, I haven't been fucking going to work. Like I keep on VTOing because of the house and because me and him have been weighing our money and like we've been doing good. So that's that. So I have been VTOing a lot, but he just got a brand new job porting cars, like moving brand new trucks around because obviously we live in Midwest Michigan, and here in Detroit the auto industry is number one. Like we literally supply the trucks and cars all to all of the US. So and well, North America, honestly. So all of you guys' cars get built here. If you drive a GM, Ford, and you call it Chrysler, you know, they get built here. Anyway, I used to work for one of those companies, but Amazon pays up around the same. If you look it up online, it's about the same, but you have to always go for the good jobs, which I went for a good job. Obviously, I have control of my schedule, and I get to go in when I want. It's kind of a downside because I'm a lazy bitch, and I need to, like, get on it, you know what I mean? Other than that, yeah, gonna go back tomorrow, which is Sunday. My schedule starts from Sunday to Thursday, or Sunday to Wednesday, 4 days. And I'm gonna do every day in both shifts. I'm gonna try not to VTO anything because finally that he has his own job again and he's potentially making more than me, leave me alone. You know, so I know all my money and all that is going to my bank account and Juju's back, but I have to keep it up because I want a brand new car. I need to step it up with my game, with my YouTube game. I can't do that if I'm broke, guys. Sorry, I live in Detroit, Michigan. It's not, you know, we have to make ends meet too. Anyways, let me eat. Damn, that was a lump of meat. Cause what the fuck? I have braces, so I can't even chew down on it like that. But anyways, it comes with little like side things like cucumbers and stuff. I'm gonna dip that in the juice too. Be a hoe. That was a lot of meat, and I couldn't eat it. I was like choking on the meat. So what's up, guys? What are you guys doing today? Oh, you found the tire?
Yeah.
Make sure you get everything you need.
Fuck this window. I'm gonna take it down.
Yeah, the good one. Not to mention, we went on the Menards app for that window. And it was like a special thing. It had like on clearance, but it said you had to go in store and get it. Went and picked it up. The guy said it was that window. It ended up being too small. I'm like getting really messy. Good thing I brought fucking napkins. But I was livid. That's a big ass tire. You have to raise a fucking GMC Sierra. I'm going to town. I hope you order mad. Well, I'm looking not even in his room. I love you guys watching me eat, but at the same time, I've had such a crazy day. Texted my parents the whole thing, telling them, you know, girl, that I don't really want to talk to nobody right now because my house and stuff like that. I just want to be alone. I'm gonna leave you yours, babe. So we can just eat real quick. And I'm doing a YouTube. They give us a big onion too. Look at the car. Should left that on the grill. These ramen are good. I'm low as fuck. Okay, so let me take one of these so I can give them these tacos. Here, baby. Hey, man.
Damn, you drink all of the things?
Drink what? There's 3.
You ate all of the things and you drink all of the things. Damn.
Bitch.
You don't even care.
Oh my god,
You
you
don't
know.
show. You went and
I did
shot.
not telling them they got a new job. I don't remember what's working on. Come on, I'm just shit on you. I just got done saying that. I better stop it too. Literally, did I not drive?
Where's all the sauce?
Tell me if I'm lying.
There's no other sauce. You only brought green.
Mm-hmm. They want to green. It kind of doesn't matter because you dip it in the thing. I'm for real. Okay. The sauce don't even matter at this point. Today's really called Michigan.
I know.
This was
what
a really
the
good
fuck.
idea. I know, I'm like, what
These
the
are
fuck?
tiny though.
This shit's staining my
These
mouth.
are tiny as fuck. Look.
I know.
Like what?
Which one do you do better?
He uses the smallest shit. And then we charge it more for smaller.
It's not that bad. Size, yeah. But the flavor's there. It works like fuck on it. Tastes like they made it today. I have something to drink. So we're going out again tonight. After me just saying all that to you guys about me being like jet lagged for the last 2 days since my last birthday. We're going out tonight with his friend tonight. I don't know where we're going. Are we going to a bar or a club? I don't know. That whole she a crackhead. I don't trust.
We're going Kiki.
Stop! She can't see that. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you?
What?
You're not supposed to put names, bro. Like, what did she find?
What were you saying?
Well, anyways, the bitch is crackhead crazy. Like, there's the nice Puerto Ricans, and there's the crazy one.
Don't say all that.
What do you mean?
She is nice. She's not very like that bad.
She is very nice, but she has her moment. Maybe I am like that too.
See? You have your moments and you try.
But I'm just saying, at least I know. Hey, keep the trash part for your mama.
Oh, don't talk my money back.
I'll say this to anybody. You want to talk about me? Keep that for your others. Don't talk about me.
You ate all the potato, everything.
Potato? There wasn't no fucking potato.
You brought potatoes.
No, I didn't. I ate one. No, that's rough. Didn't give a shit.
Kiara said Pedro might take care of Mari today, so she really is gonna drink.
I thought we were going out. Like to a club. Let's go to Gigi's.
No, I don't.
Why?
I don't see people. And look how you look. I'm not ready for no club. She ain't ready either. Like, trust me. She's probably just gonna sit there and drink.
No, she's putting on that shirt. Damn, I need to wash my hands. They're getting dirty.
We'll see what we do. We're drinking no matter what, so it doesn't matter.
I want to roll.
Of course you don't.
I do. That little watermelon.
Are you?
No, that's no. His mom's cooking Bday. Fucking first out. I don't know. I think the 2 to 6. Because I just can't keep missing days after days. I can't. Like my days on my schedule, I think actually have to start looking blue. So then if they ever look in, it looks like I worked the day. So at least half the day. I can't just be missing my days, dog. That's not gonna happen anymore. Like no. It's either half try or don't. Like I can't be trying not
That's
trying
what
at
I
all.
be telling you. You don't listen.
Nicker, no, you don't.
No?
He be the engager.
I tell you go to work because blah blah. And
I be like, damn.
I got so tired that he
I
doesn't
just
go
got
to
off the
work.
phone with Madison. I was like,
I
damn,
got so tired that he doesn't go to work that I went and got myself a job. Like damn.
Madison's working that field work today. I just got off the phone with her. And I was like, damn. Like, that sucks. Like, I actually have a good job right now, though. But I don't go. Like, I gotta start going. Very bad.
Did she ask you about the house?
No, she said she'd be passing.
She said she passes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh god. She probably said
It's her hood. It's her neighborhood, what's up? She grew up there since she was a gremlin.
She sees us there all the time for the car.
That's literally what she said. She said, I mean, she'd be like, I be passing. I'd be like, they be there. Y'all here. They're there.
Well, where will we be at? It's our house. Like,
Really, what the fuck do you want me to do? Like, bitch, what? What the fuck? Girls are so funny. We should invite her out too.
now with Kiara.
Worlds be clashing, dog, and them bitches be clashing.
I feel like Kiara and her were arguing.
Yeah.
Because Kiara's just, you know. And then she's, like, Madison's just annoying.
So scared.
Don't post this thing.
Ooh.
They're both down.
You're not so nosy. Mind your business.
They're both down in their own
Mind your
way.
business. No running and telling. Friends don't do that. I gotta go to bed. Let's go fix this tire. Like your eyes. Ooh. No, but for real, bye. Y'all look crazy. There's not this thunder.